Okay, people, we are going to learn part A for the blues song. And the first thing you need to do is find the A string. A string, remember G, C, E, A. So we have the A string that we are going to put finger 1, pointer finger, on the 3rd fret. So we have 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. The 3rd fret is the 3rd space. 1, 2, 3. We don't want it to be on the line or on that line. We want it to be in the middle. So we are pressing only one string, 3rd fret on the A string. The rest of the strings are open. It's going to sound like this. If we didn't press this one, it would sound like this. But we're going to press it and it sounds like this. That is actually a C chord. So we're going to play C chord 2 times like this. Practice that with me. Do you notice the sound is stopping? The way that I'm stopping the sound is with this hand here. I'm touching the strings at the bottom here. So when I hit it, then I touch it with that part of my hand here, and it stops the sound. Listen for that. If I didn't, it would sound like this. Which is fine, but when I put it here, it makes, I think, a better sound. So it's going to be, sorry. Keep trying. Alright, so practice that. Pause the video and practice that a little bit. Okay, the next one. We are going to find the first dot. And the first dot is going to be the 5th fret. 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time we are going to do a flat finger. And we're going to press all the strings that we can. Most important string is the first is the G string. But I want to see if you can press as many strings as possible, okay? All on the 5th fret. Remember, not on the line, in between the line, right there, in between the line. It's going to sound like this, something like that. If I press the notes individually, it sounds like this. Okay? And you're going to do that like this. Try with me. Keep going. A few more times. Okay, you can pause. Practice. Alright, next we are going to try the 3rd and last part, and it's going to be on the 7th fret. So you look for the 2nd dot, and if you count up, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to do the same thing we did last time. We're going to press all the fingers down. Well, we're going to press the one finger down on all the spaces. Sounds like this. Keep trying it. Okay, so if you need to practice, pause that. Now, the whole song is going to sound like this. I'll go from the very beginning, the whole song. It's going to sound like this. Then the turnaround from the last video, which is 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, open, open, 7. And look out the other video for that one. Okay, pause. No, you don't have to pause. All right, here we go. Let's work it slowly from the beginning of the song. So it's gonna be like this. Starting on 3rd fret, G string. A string, and we play like this. I'll put on the metronome. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Da da da. Da 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 da. Now we're going to fret 5. Da da da. Back to the da da da. Then 7. Da da da. And 5. Da da da. And back to the beginning chord, that's the C chord. And then the turnaround. And we would go again. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. And the 5. Da, da, da. Back to C chord. And the 7. Again. To the 5. Again. Back to the C chord. Turn around. And that is part A of the blues song.